Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you actually have an unlimited 5G plan and that your SIM is active. Carriers enforce plan rules, so no limits. Once confirmed, update the phone's OS and carrier settings to unlock stable 5G. Then switch network mode to 5G/NR in settings. Make sure the APN values match the carrier profile. Mismatches can throttle or block data. Now you're ready to configure sharing and optimization steps without wasting time. Next, you set up sharing and performance. You enable mobile hotspot or USB tethering and choose a secure password. USB often gives better steady throughput. Then confirm the APN and PDN are the carrier's recommended unrestricted values, so your session uses priority data. After that, turn on Data Saver and restrict background, app refresh, and auto updates to preserve throughput for active tasks. Once done, test speed with a single device so you can see real 5G performance before adding more clients. Finish by monitoring real usage. Use the phone's data monitor and carrier app to watch speeds and caps. Make sure you limit hotspot clients and prioritize devices so one phone doesn't eat all bandwidth. Schedule big downloads overnight or during off-peak for best throughput. If performance drops, reboot the radio by toggling airplane mode, restart the phone, or briefly remove and reinsert the SIM to refresh provisioning. If tethering still fails, contact carrier support with APN and tethering logs for a swift resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.